Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log out all your Discord account at once remotely. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I'm going to use my computer to log out all my Discord accounts. And as you can see here, I have opened the Discord app. And then first of all guys, we can go to this setting. You can click on this icon to open up your Discord setting, and then you're going to go to the devices. Alright, and these are the other devices I have logged into. And if you want to log out of all the devices, we need to scroll down and we can click on this menu. Okay, and after that, all your Discord accounts will be logged out at once remotely, either on your phone, on both of your phone or your computer. Okay guys, and that's all the way to log out all your Discord accounts at once remotely. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!